Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Java for K-12 Educators Professional Development Workshop. I'm your workshop instructor, Elise Dietrich. I'm the Vice President of Product and Partnerships here at Codio. The workshop has both synchronous and asynchronous pieces. The asynchronous piece is actually working through the APCSA content from the point of view of a student. There will be a synchronous piece from 2 to 4 Eastern or 11 to 1 Pacific every day, where we go over questions from the previous day, dive into the particular topic, specifically addressing misconceptions that students have, and pedagogical practices. There are optional office hours that can be booked directly following the synchronous section. So what this looks like across the week is basically 2 of the 10 APCSA units a day. Like I said, corresponding misconceptions based on computing education research literature, and then various evidence-based pedagogy that is relevant or compatible with those topics. And so to get started with the workshop, we're going to need to create a Codio instructor account, add the APCSA course to your account. If you have any questions, there is a Google form to log those. There's a link for scheduling office hours if you need one-on-one support. There's also some other workshop resources, including our 2020 survey of CS teaching, which kind of dives into those pedagogical practices we're going to discuss a little bit deeper. And there's also a workshop learning center to really give you a well-rounded wealth of resources around adopting Codio in your APCSA or Intro to Java classroom.